demonstration we use a $12,000 speaker. The replacement speaker is $12,000, but ours is actually the Mark I model by VAF. Today we take one cat looking for a gecko and it equals a large hole in a rare speaker driver. So where were the speaker covers? That same cat had ripped the speaker covers. We use a sharp scalpel blade to lift underneath the wooden trim. We gently prise underneath all of the edges. Then we use car panel lifting tools to lift the trim off. Here the trim is removed, and if we're careful we can reuse the double-sided tape when we put it back on. So 4 long screws hold the driver in place. We take those screws out and then the search begins for a new driver. We may as well have a go at repairing the old driver. Looks like some sharp claws have been through this. And then we find the missing rubber parts inside the speaker. We line up all of the tears. We join all the parts with PVA glue. We use PVA glue because it dries to a flexible finish. And it's also clear. The glue needs to be airtight, so we put plenty on. Here's the repaired speaker driver. And luckily we find a new replacement driver. So the repaired driver is on the left, the new speaker is on the right. So this was an old stock speaker. The new speaker needs the scourer pad looking baffles. And we're baffled why these scourer pads cost us $50. They're genuine VAF scourer pads, so they must have expensive dishes to wash. Here's the old speaker repaired, here's the new speaker with new baffles. The new speaker is soldered in and ready to install. Here's the new driver in place. New cat-proof speaker grille is in place. How do we make the cat-proof speaker grille? We buy one security door with a metal mesh, like CrimSafe. Cats cannot open door locks, so we don't need the lock. We use an angle grinder to remove the frame. Use chalk to draw the size of the speaker grille on the mesh. Use a fine blade metal disc cutter inside an angle grinder. One door can easily make 2 grills. We sew velcro patches onto the cut grills. Voila! Ready to handle any cats. Thanks for watching.